Alright, so right now we got the K case. K as in kilo. So let's check it out. This one, I believe, has a few pretty significant things people are going to like, some good first editions, and one that I was pleasantly surprised by, and a little random one. Alright, so here we go. So first up, we're going to have the SWAT truck, the GMC school bus. Okay, I'm pretty sure this one is a re-release from a while ago, like maybe 2012, like years ago. But very good. And another of the Ford Tauruses. Alright, next three, we're going to have another 59 Chevy. That's a holdover from J rather. We got a low lifter, also a holdover. And the Chowmobile, also holdover. Okay, so now we're going to have a tree lugger, holdover. The Mercedes AMG G63 AMG 6x6 rather. And here we go. This is one of the ones I was talking about, the NASA SEV Chariot. Let's check out the packaging first off. It's in a like a desert packaging, so I guess this is some sort of like rover. Or I at first thought when I saw this thing that it was the vehicle that pulled the giant pulled the platform that the space shuttle sat on. That's what I thought it did. But I guess not. I don't really know about it. 2016 Chevy Camaro holdover from last case. Here's another one people are gonna like: the 2000 Nissan Xterra. This one, this is not a new casting as people think it is, but it might be. Let's see what the bottom says. It says copyright 2017, but this one is not a new casting. It previously had a back door that opened, but now it doesn't. But I also believe that they're making it in the opening parts series that they're making this year. We've got a Ridge Raider, a nice green vehicle. Next three, Spark Arrestor. This is new to this case. Another BMW i8 holdover. The 2010 Ford F-150 SVT Raptor in the Gulf oil scheme. A lot of people really like this one. I'm not a particularly big fan of it. I mean, it's alright, but like a lot of people just really like these colors. I mean, I think they're just okay. Next three, we're gonna have another trailer trawler holdover. MBX 4x4, another holdover. And here we go, the Camo Convoy. This one's a first edition. Oh, there's only one per case, though. Only one per case. Which I don't get, because I really like this one. We'll open it at the end. Alright, last row here. So let's start with, we have two each of the Hazard Squad. The Fire District logo on there, as you can see. I'm not sure if this one is a copy of a previous one. Or a re-release, rather, whatever you want to call it. But yeah, two of those, and the one that people are most excited about, the 1955 GMC Scenic Cruiser. And this one is based off of the Greyhound, I believe. I mean, we just called it was just the vintage, the bus. They made it a very long time ago. So everyone's loving this one so far, and deservingly. We got two of those per case. Two of them. Very good. And the last two, we got two Ink Construction Crop Masters. I was pleasantly surprised when I saw this one in an unboxing video. Let's check it out. This one's pretty heavy. The blue's metal and the silver's metal. So we gotta try it. It does have a tow hitch, very good. If the tractor did not have a tow hitch, it'd be kinda sad. So let's see, we will open one of the GMC buses. Ooh, it's awesome. That's awesome. That's very awesome. The white part up here is metal. let's take a look at this thing. It's got skylights, look very nice. I think it's just a single decker, but just goes up. Let's see what this bottom means. What's the man number on this one? Tanley 1089. Okay, KL23. Gate code. Let's check out a Hazard Squad. Okay, so this is the plastic body, metal base version. Because they did release that New York City Fire Department one, they reverted it back to metal because people, I guess, complained. Which was good because I thought that means they were keeping it forever, but they didn't. Alright, so now we're going to have the Camo Convoy. This is one I really, really enjoy, and I'm confused why they only had one. So let's see, what does it say here? El Segundo District Engineer Corps, so I guess like Army Corps of Engineers. They need to make this OD green, and they need to make this a military version of this because this is perfect. Let's see, I believe this comes off. Yeah, it does, and there's nothing in this bed, but you can have it like that. But it looks good like this. Remember when I first saw this one at the convention last year, the previews of it rather, I was pretty excited for it. Let's see what else we got. We will also open this GMC. This is the plastic body, metal base. But this is one of my favorite random castings. I like this bus. Let's see what else we got. Oh, let's open the Raptor. People probably want to see that. The body's metal on this one. Oh, and it's got a hood detailing as well. That's pretty good. And on the Xterra, of course. Oh, that's actually a really nice color. This is it's got a slight metal flake coloration of red to it. Yeah, the back does not open, but it used to in the Coast Guard 5-pack it opened. Let's see what's there. Yeah, see right there, MB 490. That's pretty old. Well, not pretty old, but like 10 years old probably, the casting. And since I believe that they're having this one in the next case as well, let's open the NASA Chariot. If I can get it out here. Alright, neat. Okay, so the white is metal on this. Does it actually say NASA? Yeah, it does. No tow hitch. I wish it had a tow hitch. That'd be pretty cool. But 3 axles. Love 3-axle vehicles. Does it have an interior? I think it kind of has interior. Looks like seats in there. Yeah, this little thing's pretty neat. Let's see what's the man number on this one. NASA SEV Chariot MB 1080. Alright, so that's gonna do it for this video. Got some pretty good stuff here. 2, 3 first editions, and lots of other stuff that's welcome in the assortment as well. This one's pretty good case. Kind of maybe a little bit too many holdovers, maybe, but the new stuff definitely makes up for it. So thank you guys for watching the K case.